Okay, so what you want to do is input photo. Click, and then whoever you're editing for. I'm editing for violin. Then you want to go multi-layer. Do your clip packs. I think I use clip packs, but
1, 2, 3.
you can use graphs too.
Think I got you.
So you want to import that. Import the next video or photo. I'm gonna do photo because why not? So go into multi-layer, click that. This. I use Paint, so that's an easier way to do all this.
Don't tap out.
And then keep going. Keep repeating until you like your length.
Into the lane. Bring that girl.